Gulf of Mexico? No way. It's the Gulf of America. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 21st, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the JigSaw Sudoku aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 Stars Sudoku. And in the today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this 4 Stars Sudoku number 9945. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Come on. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, 2 in the row 3. Only place level 2 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so the last row, only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the 3rd column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 4, 4, 2, 8. Then, let me see. 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. 4, 4, need 8. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left, an 8 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 2 there. 1. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 9. 3. Come on. This one is 2, 4, 8. Need an 8 here. 7. 6. Come on. I'm stuck. 9. Need a 6 here. 9, 6, and this 7. Oh dear. 6, 3, 6, 3, and I need a 4 here. 4. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck here. No 3 and a 6. Come on. 7. In this big square we need a 7. We have a 7 in the 3rd column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. The 7 in this big square, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 7 should be there. 2, 1, 8. 2. No 9. 9, 6, and the 3. 7, 5. 5. These 3 missing numbers in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, and look at 3 and 9 in this column, no 3 and 9 in this box, 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and 9, 3 and 9, so 1 is left in this big square for number 6, 6, 6, 3, 6, 3. 4. In this column, we need a 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Need a 7, 5, 7, and 8. 5, 7, and 8. 5, 7, and 8. 5, 7, and 8. 7, 7. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left and 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left and 5 should be here, or there. You have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 in the row, both no 5 there. The only place left and 5 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair, so 1 is left in this row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. Need a 4 here, 4, need a 4 there, okay. And I need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those. 3, 6, and need a 9 here. Yep. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column 3. Only place level 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, the 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. Okay. Then need a 3 here. Okay, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 3. Here we have a 3. That means in this column, the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Yeah. Could be here. Okay. Need a 8. 5. 5. 7. Need a 7, 7, 7, 7. No 7. 7 should be here. Okay, in this row we need a 7. Here can be 7 because we have a 7. Wait. This is Oh, I made a mistake here. 1 and a 7 should be here. 1 and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, 7. Yeah, 1 and a 7. Okay, here can be 7 because we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 and a 7. We have 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1. I need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here. Could be there. So we need a 1 here in one of these 3 boxes because we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left with 1. Could be here. Okay, then need a 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in row 3, no, only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. How about 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column 3, no, only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. How about these? 1, 2, need a 2 here. 2, 1, 2, need a 4 here. Here can be 4. Could be a 4. Well, these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7, 5, 7, and the 8 is missing. In this column, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. Then look, we have 5 and 7 in this row. No 5 and 7 in this box. 5 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. So we need 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column 3, no, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this one, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 3, 1, and need a 6 here. 3, 1, and a 6. Okay. Complicated. 1, 2, 1, 3. Yeah, 1, 3. Need a 2, and I need a 6 here. 8, 3, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 9, 9, and a 9, 9 here. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. This can be a 3. We already have 3. 1, 7, and a 5. 1, 7, and a 5 are left in this row. And look, we have 7 and 5 here. So 1 digit left should be the 1. So the 7 and 5 are left. We have a 5 in this big one. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 5 or 7. We have a 5 now. So this box should be a 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row 3. There are only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Eliminated here, the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 in this row. I need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, give me 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Then almost finished. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 will be here, and only 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes together with the 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Okay, 3 and the 6. 3. I need a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. The 6 could be here, could be here. 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places level 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Then 3 and a 6. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Then mark those 2 boxes with 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2, 4, and 5. We need a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in this row, no 5 there. Only place level 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place level 5 should be there. 2 and 4 are left. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.